Still struggling to get your chin over the bar? You're not weak. You're just doing it wrong. Most people fail pull-ups not because of strength, but because of one hidden mistake that kills your power before you even start. Let's fix that in just 2 minutes. Here's what I see all the time. People dangling loose like noodles, yanking with their arms and swinging their legs just to get one rep. Sound familiar? The truth is, you're trying to pull from the wrong place. You're using your arms first instead of your body's strongest engine, your back. So what's the fix? It starts before you even pull. Hang from the bar, but don't go limp. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and pull your shoulders down and back, like you're trying to tuck them into your back pockets. Now, think less about pulling up and more about driving your elbows to your ribs. That one cue changes everything. Your lats take over, your arms assist, and suddenly, you float up instead of fight gravity. Once you've got that, add a 1-second pause at the top. Full control, no swing. Lower slow. That's where real strength builds. Remember, tight core, active shoulders, elbows drive down. That's the golden combo. Try 3 perfect reps using this form today. I bet it feels completely different. Don't chase numbers, chase control. Master the movement and the reps will follow. You've got this. Now go own that bar.